Would you like to go?
Hi. I'm not an expert on anything, but I've just collated some ideas that it's a problem that cities across the world are grappling with. Conviction rates are low everywhere, violence is high everywhere. So how are other cities dealing with it? This She Team idea is great, I didn't know about this. And what Mr. Sood said about the policemen joining the march, I think that's also another great idea, because why can't the police initiate take back the night marches, once a month or something in cities? Not linked to any incident that's happened, but basically a positive march. Women's safety, one more point I think to keep in mind is when you say, I'm looking at women's safety in the public sphere, in public spaces and reclaiming public spaces that are so almost exclusively male in India. Women's safety, you have to look at like a mother crossing a road with 2 children is women's safety. But a woman going back home alone from a pub after having a few drinks is also women's safety. I don't think we can be paternalistic about women's safety. That's one of the huge problems in India. I mean, who deserves, who asks for it and who doesn't ask for it. And, I mean, studies have sort of trashed all these patriarchal points of view, so we don't need to go into that. But I'll give some ideas that I've seen across cities. In New York, they have a program where volunteers drive you home on Friday nights and Saturday nights after a night out. London has a policing plan where different boroughs or localities, basically, they get together and they say, what are the 2 things that, what are the 2 crimes that are worst in our locality? And then residents and the police sit together and come up with an action plan for that neighborhood. So it's not a city plan, it's not a state plan, it's a neighborhood plan. I know we do community policing and stuff, and it's always shown great results. In Richards Park, we have very active residents association. And everybody knows the name of their local traffic police and the person to call when something goes wrong, when there's a burglary. So I think that connect can be built in any neighborhood in Bangalore for sure. When you talk about beat policing, has beat policing disappeared, Has it become less? Also, why aren't there more women beat cops, And when you see a policeman in a Hoysala, rather than sitting and just like being in their patrol cars, why aren't they out interacting with residents? Maybe they need to interact more with residents when they're patrolling. Then campaigns, there's so many great women's organizations that are doing amazing campaigns. Ring the Bell was a brilliant campaign against domestic violence. Pinjara Tod is a campaign against, discriminatory practices in hostels across India. Then Blank Noise keeps doing these campaigns. They have a I Never Ask For It campaign where you, right now going on I think, or it was just got over, where you send in your account of your sexual harassment along with the article of clothing, an image of the article of clothing you were wearing at that point, to prove that sexual harassment just doesn't happen to women who wear short skirts and whatever. Then there are lots of, in Mexico City they have buses for women only. Now KSRTC has great driver guidelines for interacting with women customers, but are they followed? I mean, one continuously reads stories about incidents that, and there's so many organizations that, like Akshara, that train men to support gender equality. Why can't these organizations interact with transport officials and police officers on a regular basis? I'm sure they do, but why can't they do that more? Uber Pool was such a great idea for women, Women could go together to work. pool a ride, but the government discontinued it for whatever reasons because of some lobby was stronger than, yeah. I'm just finishing. The Dwarka police uses flash mobs to spread their message, you know. And then Twitter, Facebook, there's lots of ideas there. Self-defense programs for teenage girls, etc. I have many more ideas, but my 5 minutes is up.